Hey, math warriors. What's up? Feeling stuck with those tricky integrals? Well, fear not, because today we're crushing them with integration by substitution. We'll be working through some examples to make you a substitution superhero. But hey, before we unleash your inner integral slayer, if you're digging these videos, smash that like button and subscribe for more epic math adventures. Speaking of adventures, what problems are you facing next? Leave a comment below and tell me what math topic you want to conquer next. Let's make this a choose your own math adventure kind of channel. And after finishing this video, you will be able to solve these examples. Please solve them and write your answers in the comments below. I will reply to each one. So this is our first example, and to solve it, we use the substitution method. Let's say u equal x cubed plus 2x minus 5. So du equal 3x squared plus 2dx. And this integral can be written as 10 into 3x squared plus 2 into x cubed plus 2x minus 5 power 9. So now we can see the u in the du, and the integral can be written as 10u power 9 du, which is equal u power 10 plus c. Now we replace u, so the final answer will be x cubed plus 2x minus 5 power 10 plus c. Now let's move to this example. So here the u is 4x cubed plus 3. Then du equal 12x squared dx. And we can see them in the integral. So we can write it as 1 over 12 cosine u du equal 1 over 12 sine u plus c. And last step, we replace u to get 1 over 12 sine 4x cubed plus 3 plus c. And this is the last example for today. Here u equal x plus 1 and du equal dx. So it can be written as integral of u minus 1 into u power half du, which is equal integral u power 3 over 2 minus u power half du. Then we solve it, and for a refresher on basic integrals, check out my helpful videos on solving them. Just click the links in the description below. So we get the final answer, equal 2 over 5 into x plus 1 power 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3 into x plus 1 power 3 over 2